Welcome to the hydraulic press channel. Today I got feeling that I want to film something explosive with my high-speed cameras. So I decided to crush some string, rope and fishing line rolls. And these tend to explode, but I want to see how and what's the actual mechanism there. Okay, and here we go. Oh, it slipped out. Okay, it's too tall, it doesn't work. It has to stay up for it to work. Okay, now we have maybe a bit shorter but thicker one there, and let's hope that this stays up. Okay. Yeah, this kind of worked. I think it stretched it too much before exploding, but let's have a look on the high speed. Okay, it seems that only maybe 1/4 of the lines get broken in explosion, so the whole thing didn't go in one go. Okay, now we have a lot more going on there. This 150 meters of 1.5 millimeter rope, so it's going to be much stronger. The diameter is maybe 10 centimeters, so that's 30 centimeters per one lap. Okay, more on the middle. Let's say 10 centimeter per lap on average. So that makes 1,500 laps of rope, or what you call that. But you have to cut a lot of rope to this to happen, so it's going to be a huge explosion. And here we go, it's going to be loud as hell. No! It didn't go in one bang. And that wasn't I'm not sure, should it be stretchy to explode? Let's try fishing line, at least that explodes, usually every time, and that's loud. Again, 150 meters of line, this time fishing line, and it's rated for 15 kilos, and there's about 750 laps of it, so that makes roughly 11 tons of total force that we should generate. Of course, when we push down, it doesn't completely transfer to horizontal force, so there might be some losses, but I think we can quite easily explode this. Okay, surprisingly hard. What the hell? I think we need larger tool. Let's try this again. Okay, it just doesn't go, maybe different brand. Yeah, this is just 100 meter roll, so a bit less line. Yeah, something flew really fast out from there. And that was about full force, and you can smell burnt plastic. Yeah, that's nice. I think the vertical force transfers with really poor rate to horizontal force that tries to rip this apart. But let's have a look on the high speed, and after that I have like a different type of line because this is like monofilament, and I have the other one where it's like multiple filament. So let's see if that's any different. And that was so fast that I think we are going to use the monochrome camera to analyze this. It like unwinds. There's a lot of movement before the main bang. Okay, now it's going to happen. Yeah, let's try to see that again. It's still really fast. Yeah, I think it just like explodes in all directions. There isn't really like anything specific to see. I think the roll was like too, it was too like, it wasn't high enough. It gets crushed into so small pieces that it's really hard to see anything. So after the lines, I think we have to try something a bit taller to get like better view inside of the action. Okay, now we have roll of this stuff. I'm not sure what is in English. Is it like fiber fishing line? Braided fishing line says it there, but it's not monofill. So I'm not sure it's like more or less stretchable. I think it stretches less, it probably is better here. And again, 150 meters. So let's see how it goes. Will it explode? Hope so. Double the fun. Because why not? Yeah, this is a good idea. I can hear some sounds. It's really nerve-wracking. I try to release the pressure slightly. And then, okay. Yeah, it doesn't want to go. Yeah, fishing line is just too goddamn strong. Okay, next big roll of like this like decoration string. And there is a lot of it, but it's also pretty weak, so this is great opportunity to explode something. And here we go. Yeah, looking nice. Yeah. Oh! There was quite large clump flying out. Let's have a look on that high speed. Yeah, I think we are a bit too close with the camera view, but you can see how it opens from the right side and flies to the left. I am not totally sure why I have bought this, because white is really hard color to film, but let's see how it goes. That was even better. And now fast before it. Yeah, this time we got it. Yeah, and now from the color camera I had some problems with my hard drive, so I lost some footage, but here it's in full color. And yeah, the strings broke, and then because they're under a lot of tension, they stretch back to normal size and fly out really fast. And yeah, pretty nice. Okay, and as a last one, we have this big boy. I'm not sure will it explode, but if it doesn't explode, then I'm going to cut it with the grinder to make it weaker, as long as it explodes. Let's hope that it goes without any extra help. Oh, that's so disappointing. Yeah, I was so hopeful when it started to load, and then some like strings came loose, and yeah, but it didn't explode. I want some explosion here on end. I find something that explodes. Okay, I'm going to crush some post-it notes, and it's going to explode and throw all the stuff on the table on the air, and it's going to look super cool on the high speed. Okay, I think that was pretty cool. Let's have a look. Yeah, and hey, please let me know what do you like the new lighting around the press. I had bigger lights than usual for the high speed, and I think the overall visuals were pretty nice. I think I could add some lights for the background to get rid of the shadows and stuff like that, but it's pretty good. And yeah, sorry for the lost color footage. I had a hard drive attached to my color camera and it broke down, but I'm going to buy a new one, and that's nice because I can use raw files with the color camera and get it look really nice for the next videos. Yeah, but that is all for today. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.